So in this video, we'll be talking about the keyboard. So this is what a default keyboard looks like when you get your laptop. This is what it might look like. So this is an MSI laptop and it currently has a keyboard light. So there are some laptops that might not have a keyboard light and it might look like this. It might look something like this. So this is a Dell laptop without a keyboard light. So this is what a numpad area looks like. So a numpad area is an area that has a special location where you can access the numbers. So it has 0 to 9, the division sign, the multiplication sign, the subtraction sign, and the full stop. So in order to turn on a numpad area, you just press this num lock button here. So when you press it, you notice that the blue lights at the top right corner will be turned off. And then I've disabled the numpad. So yours might not have a light here. It might be on the keypad itself. So I'll click on it to turn it back on. So that's what a numpad looks like. And then you might notice that your laptop has this FN key. The purpose of this FN key is that it gives you room to access some of the hidden functionalities on the keypad. So if you notice the F2, F3, F4, 5, 6, 7, they actually have a little icon here on the keyboard, on the keypad as well. So in order to access this functionality, this is a webcam, this is a cooling mode, and this is like a functionality to project to a different screen. So in order to access this, you need to click and hold the FN key. So you click and hold the FN key and then you press this button at the same time. So once you do that, you would actually be able to access this functionality. So that is the purpose of an FN key, and you can use the FN key to increase and reduce your volume if peradventure there are other functionalities at this area of your laptop keyboard. So if I click and hold this, and then I can actually reduce the volume of my keyboard, of my computer, or I can increase it. And this can also be used to reduce the brightness and increase the brightness as well. So when you see something like this, it means it is used to increase the brightness, to increase and decrease the brightness. So this is what the brightness settings might look like. It might not be at this area of the computer. It might actually be at the top area. So let's check on other laptops as well. So on this laptop, it is actually located here. You can see it's on the F4 and F5. So in order to access this, you need to press and hold the FN key. So this is the FN key for this laptop. You press it, hold, and then you also click on this to reduce and click on this to increase. So that is how you actually access some of those functionalities here. The FN key is very essential to accessing those functionalities. So you have the control key, the shift key, the cap locks. What the cap locks does is that when it is turned on, you have access to capital letters. If it is not turned on, they will all be small letters. So if you want to make use of the capital letters, you click on this and toggle it. You'll notice that there's a small hole here. So this will actually indicate that the cap locks is turned on. So that's how you know when you turn on the cap locks. It might be different on all laptops. So just look out for where you see a light and then you know that you've turned on the cap locks. So something that you also look out for is the tab. There's tab here, and then you notice that this laptop has the number keys here as well. So in order to access some of these functionalities here, which is the special characters, you have the @ the pound, the dollar, and the percentage sign. You have to click and hold the FN key and also the specific number or the specific character sign there in order to access it. And on this laptop, it looks different. So we have the numpad area here as well with some of the special characters too. And we also have a numpad specific area, which is so different from the area where you have the alphabet. So that's how you actually access some of the special characters there. So I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please like, share to someone who might find it useful, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos in the future. Thank you.